My name is Jane. I grew up with Taiwanese flavors and now living in United States. I'm not a professional baker, just a beginner who loves simple, comforting dessert. Today, I would like to share a Taiwanese Castella cake with a little American touch. Let's start with the ingredients. They're all very basic and easy to find. Eggs, milk, cake flour, sugar. First, we separate the yolks and whites from 5 eggs. Next, add the milk, vegetable oil, and butter to a saucepan. Then grated some lemon zest. Warm it gently over low heat just until the butter melts. Remove from the heat and add some fresh lemon juice. I use about half of a lemon. Add a pinch of salt, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and add the cake flour and mix until smooth. Then add the egg yolks one at a time, making sure the batter is well mixed before adding the next one. In a clean bowl, I start whipping the egg whites. I add a small amount of rice vinegar, just a little. It helps stabilize the meringue. Start slow, then gradually add the sugar. Continue whipping until soft peaks form. Now comes the important part, folding. Add the meringue in 3 portions. Use a gentle motion from the bottom up and over. I stop as soon as the batter looks smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect, just light and airy. pour the batter into the pan. Tap it lightly to release any air bubbles. This cake is baked with a water bed, which keeps it moist and tender. Into the oven it goes. And now we wait. This is a good moment to slow down and enjoy the process. Once it's done, let the cake cool completely. You can enjoy the cake just as it is, or add any decorations you like. I placed a few slices of lemon and limes on top and grated a little more zest. It made my heart sing. When I slice into the cake, you can see the texture, soft, fine, and light. Not perfect, just warm and comforting. If you're new to baking, I hope this video feels like company. Thank you for baking with me. I will see you next time.